Hello guys. Eat the egg. Ipakita ang egg. Asan?
Wait lang, nasa ito.
Dara, ayan gigama. But, here we have 3 eggs. That. Yeah. And it's okay, you wash your hands, man. Dili ka ganahan
Ako ganahan kay da.
sa white. It's okay na yan lang.
Ako kabalo mo mix it.
Ayun. Tandok na. Then siya.
Gaulan diri sa Mindanao.
Like this. And
Hi guys, it's Shami Dulam again. Sabay niya application. Shami Dulam.
and said dulam. Oh, try it. It's yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy? Here.
Second batch na po ni. Kay away na po sila. I give you 10.
So, we will show you how Shami cook the egg roll.
I give you 10.
Egg roll. Just like that. You put butter. Ngit-ngit lagi. Ipasigad ang bansa. Ay. Oh, right. Wait lang. Wait lang, Chin. This butter.
Oh, kulang po.
Kulang pa
I
siya.
give you 110.
Okay. And more. You have to...
Ate K, what is KK? What is
KK avocado.
No. What
Um,
is KKK?
KKK.
J.
The 3K.
J. What is AP?
AKA.
What is KKKK?
Then,
A.
put it all na.
Dili.
Said! Go
Half,
down
half
ka lang.
naman.
Okay, half lang daw. Okay. So, actually, kuan-kuan ra gama-gama ra jud mi. Ani kung saan siya.
Ulat lang.
Hulat lang.
Pasa ngiti. Pas.
Ano siya, guys?
Hihi, na ay part 2 unya.
Okay. Roll it.